Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Mission Meadows Elementary School, home of the Mustangs in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. Outside on their playgrounds, and it's so cool. They got this all over their campus, just positive messages, phrases, words that really try to uplift, right? We got this wall talking about kindness, acceptance, fairness, but the focus for today's program, my third visit this school year, 2023-2024, was on this final word that you'll see right here, and that's respect. And that was the main theme. The sub-theme was that we are all miracles. That's something I bring up in all my assemblies, but especially this one. And that's the fact that all of us with the lines on our hands have letter M. Trace one of mine here again. And that M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all filled with miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it, like the front of my shirt says here too. But to know that, we can be that light to someone else's heart and hopefully inspire them to believe in themselves. I mean, that's huge. I had a student come up to me after this assembly today and said he really doesn't have many friends. And there was a couple other students that were nearby, and I just said, hey, would you mind including him on recess? And they said, yeah, no problem, and just to be able to, have that courage to get out of your shell and know when you have that power or influence to build up or tear down, we have to step into that. And this world needs a lot more respect. It needs a lot more kindness, of course. And so that's why, today's focus, we also talked about the bully versus the upstander, even a bystander as well. But, that we want to really, stand up for people that have no voice or a small voice. And the comparison with the shark and the whale, I think the students really understood that. The story with Shay, how our actions can impact someone for the rest of their life. We had a couple other video clips, just talking about how whatever we say and do can stay in someone's heart forever, right? We talk about heart bruises, right? These are the bruises that you can't see, though. They're inside someone's heart where we're all the same. The outside, we're definitely different. But, on the inside, we can still hurt. We can still have these marks, and it's up to us to help to erase those marks. But the pieces of that puzzle is that the more that you give, the more that you receive too. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great seeing all of you again. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again in the fall or beyond. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.